Ever pondered the significance of meticulous planning and scheduling in construction projects? One might argue that it's the backbone, the very foundation upon which the success of the entire endeavor rests. Without it, the structure, both literally and figuratively, may crumble. Enter the world of bar charts, a tool as essential as the bricks and mortar in construction. Picture a simple graph, horizontal lines stretching out like timelines, each representing a different task. These lines, or bars as they're aptly named, vary in length, symbolizing the estimated duration of each task. The longer the bar, the longer it takes to complete the task it represents. But the bar chart is not just about duration, it's also about sequence and overlap. Imagine a string of tasks laid out in order, one after the other, with some tasks overlapping. This overlap is by design, not by accident. It shows that some tasks can and should start before others finish. This, in essence, is the beauty of the bar chart. It's a visual symphony of coordination, timing, and efficiency. Bar charts, sometimes known as Gantt charts, were conceived by Henry L. Gantt, a man whose name is now synonymous with effective project planning. He gave us a graphical representation of a project plan that includes the activities that make up the project and their planned sequence of performance. It's like having a bird's-eye view of the project timeline, with the ability to see the big picture and the minute details all at once. In the realm of construction, these charts are not just useful, they're indispensable. They provide an effective method of communicating the construction plan to a multitude of people, from varying backgrounds and experience. The site manager, the foreman, the architect, and even the client can all appreciate the clarity and simplicity of a well-drawn bar chart. To summarize, bar charts are the most commonly used method in construction planning and scheduling projects. They are a visual representation of the project plan, including the activities that make up the project, their estimated duration, and the planned sequence of their performance. They are a tool for communication, a guide for coordination, and a blueprint for success. So the next time you see a construction project, remember that behind every brick laid, every beam placed, there's a bar chart, silently orchestrating the symphony of construction, a testament to the power of planning and the beauty of organization.